Join us on the tour of this beautiful Lagoon 42 Catamaran 2024 model at the Vancouver Boat Show.
Oh yeah, up and down,
up those stairs,
across.
Oh my god, they would totally go from the
Yeah.
I love that.
This is nice.
It's a lagoon, is it?
It's a lagoon, yeah.
But I thought you liked it.
I mean, it's nice. They're not fast boats.
But
If someone gave me a free lagoon, I would take it. The thing with these is like, they're bulky, right?
Spacious.
I mean, they're super spacious.
It's a quick little home.
Oh yeah, 100%. It's definitely a home.
Like you sitting here and then Pixie over there. Pixie like over there.
Yeah.
That would totally be Pixie.
Yeah, it's nice, eh? Hi there. This is really, really nice. What year is this one?
2024.
Oh, it's a brand new one.
Yeah.
Brand new. Yeah. It's the new car smell.
Where is the car?
Oh, look at this. This is like one hull of this thing is more space than our boat. Yeah, I know.
And our cats would have spots.
Yeah.
You could totally live on a catamaran.
Oh yeah, 100%. Nice shower.
I would totally turn the other bedroom into a artistic
Studio?
space,
Yeah.
please. Oh my god. No problem showering here.
No, none at all.
No problem.
Yeah.
Like this is more than this is enough for a living on.
Yeah, oh yeah, totally. It's like plenty much. It's actually,
No traumas whatsoever.
this is also really cool. You can like
Close it up.
close it for total privacy.
Nice.
If you have like people on the boat,
Nice.
or you just want to take a nap and someone else is up there.
Yeah.
Each cabin has its own door. So it's just the owner's cabin on the side.
Oh, I see.
That's the,
Oh, so
that's,
this is
that's two
gotcha.
cabins on that side.
That's amazing. And then there's one cabin here, and another cabin. It's 3 cabin, Leah. Wow. So it has like
Two cabins.
2 cabins,
I think like
and then
I wonder like so how
the
would
head
one,
here.
How would one turn one into a studio?
That's a lot of work. You probably want to tear the bed out,
Tear the bed out, kind of thing.
and then
But it
there's
would be
probably
worth
something
it if
underneath.
it would be like our ultimate boat. Then
Yeah, like it's not something that you'll do
I don't
temporary.
think we'll definitely need 3 cabins.
No, yeah.
Maybe 2 cabins that would be nice. Like,
2 cabins would be nice. 3 is probably a little bit much.
Like let's do it. Studio.
Yeah.
And I opened a little hatch for ventilation from the
Ventilation,
oil
yeah.
paint.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's nice. All right.
I want one.
Where do you want it?
I want one. Please. I can just get this one.
How long is this? It's 42. And 25.3 that
Yeah,
one.
that's the thing.
That's huge.
Is
No,
that,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
I have a hard time finding a scoop
Perfect.
for that. No?
Not so far.
Not so far? Cool. Okay, awesome boat.
Thank you.
There, maybe. Yeah,
Oh,
Or a
okay.
projector.
projector.
I would probably
there.
put like a screen, pull it down, and could just sit there
Yeah.
and project it.
Yeah, most people just do a TV on a mount just in front of the bulkhead.
Yeah, that makes sense. Boat like this in BC, moorage is the
What?
hard part to find moorage.
Nope.
No? Really?
Hasn't been a problem yet.
Oh, we hear so many people.
You won't get moorage for it until you buy it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
interesting.
We've got boats downtown Vancouver, Deep Cove,
Oh, really? Like cats?
Sydney,
Nice.
Thunder Harbor,
Yeah.
Point Roberts.
That's
And
good.
like, if you have a boat like this, why do you need moorage? You just have to go out there.
Depends where you want to be, what you want to do.
That's cool.
Just go sailing around the world. and
Well, yeah, that's the
moorage.
long-term plan.
That'll, I'll put it on my manifestation.
We'll put it on our vision board.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, go ahead.